Hello everyone, it's MPX AUTOS James again. How are you? So in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Prado 150 series Kakadu 2009 model, and this is the Kakadu which has every top features inside a Toyota Prado 150 series. So as you can see that it has all the detail here, like the button for steering control and the 360 camera, and it has the factory screen before, but of course now it is fully fit with our new premium package setup for the Prado 150 Kakadu. And yeah, it has roof mount DVD which is still working well, and it has USB port here which we are using it over here. Now on the screen it actually is wireless Android Auto, but the system, you already know that the premium one has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Now the fun story is we actually have an extra camera inside this version. Now what that means is now the new camera will show up like this way. So you will see the new camera. Oops. I think we need to leave it start. Yep. So it has enough power for the reverse. So now that is the reverse camera. You can see that the reverse camera now so super clear, Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera right now on the screen, on the big 9-inch screen, and it show the rear turbo right here. Okay, very clear, very clear. So what that means is that there's one extra camera in the car, and this video is just the first showing the camera system with the head unit system that we fit. But in the second video later, we will have 360 camera in the car working, and also that camera, our new camera in that position, will work together in the car as well. Okay, so that is the special thing inside the car, inside this Kakadu. Okay, so that's how it works. And yeah, as normal, this wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android also working so smooth. The owner of the car already came in before. When they drop the car, they test this unit directly on the bench, and they're so happy with that. And the sound system, I should mention that the sound system inside the car is already boosted up to a better level right now. So if you sit in this car right now, you will hear the sound much better than it was, even though the car came with the premium sound setup. But when combined with our head units over here, which has a very strong digital sound processor amplifier inside, and we tune it up correctly, and now the sound is very satisfying, much better than before. That's really good point. And as the owner requests, we don't show up the air conditioner climate control on the screen, on the touch screen, as usual in other cars that we did. So in this case, if you touch control here, the air conditioner control will not show up on the screen. Okay, so that's simple, easy. Okay, that's what I should mention. And again, CD player still working very nice. Roof mount DVD is still working nice. Parking sensor front and rear still working beautiful, and it will show the door, and it show all the doors on the screen if you open the door, and if you open the boot, it will show up as well. So that's all the new system will show. Okay, so that's about 9-inch premium package 150 series Kakadu Prado MPX Autos. If you like our video, please feel free to click the subscribe button, so we know that you like our system and like our video, and we can bring more and more of the same interesting videos like this to you and to the community. So once again, thank you, and we'll see you then. Good night.